Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to change location on Amazon Flex. So stick till the end so you'll know how to do this. So changing your location on Amazon Flex involves updating your preferred delivery region. So here are steps to change your location. So first is open the Amazon Flex application. So just open it on your mobile phone and ensure that you have the latest version of the application installed. After that, just tap on the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. So from the menu, you just have to select account. Now after that, in the account settings, look for the option to edit your delivery region. So you just have to tap on it to proceed. And then after doing that, a list of available regions will be displayed. So you just have to choose the city or area where you want to change your location to. So if the desired city is not listed, it may not be currently supported by Amazon Flex. Now after that, after selecting the new location, you just have to confirm your choice by clicking on the save button or confirm button. And then you just have to wait for the verification. So Amazon Flex may require verification of your new location. So this process could involve providing proof of residency or other documents. So you just have to follow the instructions provided by Amazon Flex to complete the verification process. So that's basically it. That's how you change location on Amazon Flex. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!